circuit board is key to light up the lamp. With the cooperation of man and machine, small components form a circuit board. Lamp beads are the key factor affecting light efficiency. Guanyal always chooses high quality with high color rendering and no blue light damage. Then combine full spectrum, side illumination and other technologies to create a good desk lamp with uniform and soft light that truly protects eyesight. Our workers and machines turn various raw materials into different parts, and finally become an usable lamp. Additionally, a rigorous inspection procedure is also essential for high-quality production. Guanyal has its own quality department that controls every step from the arrival of materials to the warehouse, the components production, and the inspection of finished goods to ensure the quality. Qualified products will enter the packaging process. The packaging adopts environmentally friendly materials with strong load bearing and pressure resistance so that the lamps reach the consumers intact.